Hi there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to enable the LaunchPad mode on the Discord app. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, open the Discord app and find the home screen menu. Step 2. Next, tap on your profile picture at the right side of the screen corner. Step 3. Now tap on the settings option at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Next, scroll down the menu. Find the advanced option and tap on it. Step 5. Now, scroll down the menu again, and under the LaunchPad mode option, you will see 4 options: full screen gesture, right edge gesture, pull tab, or disabled. Step 6. For the last and most important step, click on the option you set. For example, click the pull tab option to turn it on. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.